So as you see, that's right, delta y over delta x equals, so dy over dx, which is the same thing, but this is a lowercase. Okay, that's almost the same. That's why I couldn't use equal sign. This one is almost the same. All right. So now that means the difference between this and this is, this one is some value there, like a delta x, maybe maybe 0.1, something like that. But this one is you treat it like this one almost zero. Okay, that's it. That's difference. Okay. So now, yeah, I'm making this equation a lot simpler. Okay. So which is almost the same as what? Derivative. Okay. So just like this. Or you can use f apostrophe x. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, now, then if I move everything away, okay, this one looks like this, right? Okay, f x plus delta x equals, you watch this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna move this one first. Okay, this was divide, now times, right? That means, oh, y apostrophe, which is derivative, times delta x. Okay, so I just multiply. Then I move this one to your right hand side, right? Which is fx. Oh man, then this is gonna be plus. Alright, see? Alright, you understand, right? Applied derivative. Approximation or estimation. You know what? Okay, sometimes like this one, 102 square. Okay, square is okay, maybe 102 times 102. But what about 102 to the 7th power, something like that, you know what I mean? So then, or decimal number, like, okay, 100.6, like to the 3rd power. Okay, now we try something easy like this. Okay, that means, hey, we treat this one like this one, 102 square. That means, hey, we can treat this one like 100 plus 2, then square. Oh, looks like a function, right? In this case, actually, you know, see 100 right here? So easy to calculate, right? Because 100 times 100, everybody knows that one. So that's 10,000. So, so in this case, we treat this 100 like x. So x is 100. Then a little bit of a change, which is 2. So delta x is 2. See? Alright. Then we can rewrite this equation just like this. Alright, now let's use this formula right here. Okay, so fx plus delta x is actually this. So actually we can write this one like this. Okay, 100 plus 2 square equals fx. Do not use this to delta x, right? That means, oh, 100 square actually. Okay, so instead of plus 2. Alright, now plus, then we're gonna find out this derivative, right? Derivative of y. So derivative of actually this right here, see? Okay, fx. Fx is 100 square. So we do this one like a, you know, treat this one like x. Okay, like x square. Then 2 goes front. Okay, then 100. Okay, to the 2nd power minus 1, which is 1 power. See, 1. So we don't have to worry about that. Times the difference right here. See, delta x. Delta x was 2. Oh, so now right away you can tell, actually this is approximation. Okay, so you gotta know that. Okay, that's not exact value. Okay, but okay, this is 10,000 plus this one's 100 times 2 times 2, which is 400. Ooh, 400. That means the answer is, okay, 10,400. Whoa! Let's try this one then. Okay, square root of 103. That means, 103, you can change 100 plus 3. That means, fx. Okay, so fx going to be what? That's right. That's square root 100, right? So square root 100 is easy. Now, what is a delta x then? Delta x is 3 this time. So fx plus delta x is same as this one, right? Okay, right here. Okay, so which is square root 100 plus 3 approximately, that's right. Then fx was square root 100. That's right, square root 100. See? Now plus, derivative of this one. See, derivative. Okay, it's right there. So delta x obviously times 3 later. Okay, but hey, let's find out. Okay, this one. Okay, so y apostrophe. Okay, which is in this case, yep, square root 100 means 100, then half power, right? Then you do derivative. Okay, derivative means you're gonna move this one to front, right? That means half. Okay, then 100. What power? That means half minus 1. Told you, right? That's a negative half power. Wait a minute. That means half. Then negative half power means you just negative anything negative power. You just change this one to positive, then 1 over, right? Which is a reciprocal. That means, this one means square root 100. Oh, yes. Okay, just like that. Okay, that means, wait a minute. That means this one is a 10. Okay, so right here. Okay, 1 over 2 times square root of 100. Whoa! Alright, which is, in this case, yeah, that's 10. Very simple. Plus, this one is also 10. 10 times 2 is 20. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 over 20. Whoa, man. So then 10 point. All you have to do 3 divided by 20, right? That's a 0.15. Oh, the answer is what? 10.15. Wait a minute. I just checked with the calculator. I just checked square root 103, which is 10.14889, so on. Oh man, that's very close, right there. 10.15, 10.148. Round up. Anyway, this is gonna be 10.15. Very good approximation.